Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off Siri and disable Siri on your iPhone or iPad. Really simple and easy to do. So if you're just annoyed with Siri, you don't want it to be coming up when you say these special words, or you don't want it to come up when you hold the button on the side of the phone, I'll show you guys how to disable those settings. All you have to do is go over to your settings application. Then you want to scroll down until you see Siri and search. And then under there, you'll see these three options at the top here. Listen for Hey Siri, or press side button for Siri, or allow Siri when locked. So whatever you want to turn off, you just go ahead and untoggle these, and then you could just click on the Turn Off Siri button. And then it will turn off Siri for you right there. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how and where to turn off the Siri settings in your phone. If it was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.